Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2020 Infiniti QX60 Luxe all-wheel drive that we have for sale. Very nicely equipped with the Essential and Pro Assist package, which I'll talk to you a little bit more about shortly. This is a local one-owner Clean Carfax vehicle. It's actually just retired out of our service loaner fleet. The way that works is that we'll take a new vehicle out of our inventory, we'll put it in loaner car service for about a year, then we'll retire it and make it available for sale as a pre-owned vehicle. So basically the way it works is that when you're a new Infiniti customer or certified pre-owned Infiniti customer, one of the benefits is you get complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles for extended service days. So that's basically what this one did. We loaned it out to our customers for about a year who are in for service. And now of only 14,584 miles, it's available for sale. It's been in our care its whole life. So it's been in care of an Infiniti dealership, you know, serviced and checked by Infiniti certified techs. Pretty good history, very low miles. So the Essential package was $2,900, giving you a round view monitor, moving object detection, front and rear sonar sensors, rain sensing wipers, navigation, illuminated kick plates, and leather pointed seating. Then the Pro Assist package is $1,950, giving you high beam assist, a few extra, you get 2 extra front and rear sensors, so you only had 2 front and rear sonar sensors with the Essential. Now you have 4 front and 4 rear sonar sensors with the Pro Assist package, auto dimming side mirrors, intelligent cruise control. So the intelligent cruise control goes with the flow of traffic on the highway. So it's like, and then we have lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, blind spot intervention, and backup collision intervention. And on top of that, lots of other nice features. So you have the beautiful leather interior with the Essential package. We have a Bose sound system, power and heated front seats, drive mode selector. We have a CVT transmission offering an almost infinite amount of gear ratios, so you have that perfect gear ratio for that current driving situation. We have dual zone climate control in the front, rear climate control, and of course we have navigation. We have a 360-degree around view camera, great for low speed maneuvering. You know, visibility can sometimes be tough in these vehicles with the third row seats and headrests and stuff. So having that 360 camera of moving object detection is nice. Just saw those people walking by. So the moving object detection is working in motion. So they weren't even that close to me, but they're saying, hey, there's some moving objects close to the vicinity of the vehicle, pay extra attention. So it's nice, I guess, how those people just pulled up right in time for that. That doesn't always happen that way. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. You have this button here to activate your safety shield, so that will put a lot of the driver's assistant features on. You have distance control assist, which will automatically slow down the vehicle for approaching traffic. The QX60 is a very popular vehicle for us. It's a mid-size, third row luxury crossover. This is kind of like the Goldilocks of luxury crossovers. We see a lot of families that are growing once you have a couple of kids, and then you have friends, and then you have soccer and football games and all the stuff that kids entail, pack and plays, strollers, things like that. We see a lot of families upgrading to mid-sized crossovers like this QX60 from compact ones like our QX50. And it's a great vehicle for a growing family. You have lots of space, lots of versatility. It's still relatively fuel efficient versus going to like a full-size V8 powered luxury SUV like our QX80. Sometimes people need to go to those full-size ones, especially if you do plan on like towing a trailer or a boat or something like that. A little extra storage under here. That's the subwoofer for the Bose sound system. The third row seats fold flat. The second row ones fold fairly flat as well. You have these hooks for grocery bags. You have a 12-volt power outlet back here. Power tailgate. These can tow as well, and not heavy duty towing. When properly equipped, probably I'd say 2,000–3,000 pounds of the QX60. For those who have kids in forward facing car seats, for the second row passenger side right here, we have a latch system that's designed to have a forward facing car seat in place and the ability to fold this seat forward for third row access without having to remove that car seat. Some of the other vehicles, some of the competition, the way the latch system is designed, you actually have to remove the car seat in order to fold that seat forward for third row access. Kind of a pain, but obviously Infiniti was thinking of families when they were developing the QX60. I have 2 kids in forward facing car seats and I would hate to remove them every time I needed to get to the third row seats. Kind kind of a pain. Won't have to worry about that with the QX60. Really nice styling on the front end. For an engine, we have this amazing 3.5 liter V6. I love this engine, one of my favorite gasoline engines ever made. In fact, I own 2 Infinitis right now that have variations of these engines. I've been with Infiniti 18 years, 2 years at Nissan, so about 20 years with the Nissan Infiniti brand. I've seen lots of these engines with 200 and 300,000 miles still running strong. You have maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost replacement of timing belts. The timing chain is zero maintenance or design the service life of the engine, which happens to be 300,000 miles. Really powerful too, 295 horsepower, so all the power you really want for a vehicle like this. You have intelligent all-wheel drive. So the way that works is it will be front-wheel drive during normal driving conditions like this when it's dry. But as soon as those front wheels start slipping, it can send power to the rear wheels as needed for excellent low traction situations, great performance in wet, slippery weather, and great performance in the snow. I've driven lots of these in the snow. They do awesome. And the reason why they have that front wheel drive bias is that it helps you get a little bit better gas mileage. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.